Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with WooCommerce hosting via Bluehost, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Bluehost website. Click on the Get Started button. Choose a hosting plan that suits your needs. Click on the Select button under your chosen plan. Fill in the domain name section. If you have an existing domain, enter it in the provided space. If you don't have a domain yet, select Create a new domain. Enter your desired domain name and choose the extension. Click on the Next button. Fill in your account information. Provide your name, email address, and phone number. Create a password for your Bluehost account. Select the package extras that you want, if any. Review your plan selection and pricing details. Input your payment information. Confirm the terms and conditions checkbox. Click on the Submit button to complete your purchase. Once the payment is processed, you'll be directed to the Bluehost dashboard. Click on the Install WordPress option. Follow the prompts to install WordPress. Choose your site title, username, and password during the WordPress setup. Click Install to finalize the installation. Visit your newly created WooCommerce store link to confirm. Log in with the credentials you just set up. Customize your site as desired and start adding products. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.